You know, when we say people have a right to trial, it's not just the defendant, victims have a right to a trial. And I have a minor victim in this case who was put up with allegedly years of sexual abuse. The trauma that comes along with that is it's appalling. And this child, according to the allegations, did what we encourage kids to do. Finally, she had the bravery to come forward and tell someone. She did exactly what we all go home and tell our kids we want them to do. If something happens to you like this, or somebody touches you inappropriately, tell. And it takes a lot of courage to do for a kid. So this little kid tells, goes to a criminal justice system that is supposed to protect a defendant's rights, but it also is supposed to protect victims and give them some sort of recourse and some sort of justice. And I have to sit here today in a robe that I waited and worked my entire life to get to say that we can't go forward on this case because a guy who understands how to pay his bills, get married, do everything else an adult does in life, doesn't understand what's happening enough here today to assist in his defense, and he gets to walk out of this courtroom with no consequences for these allegations. And this is the most difficult thing I have ever done as a judge and will likely ever do, because there is a child that is getting no justice. There is a family that is irreparably damaged. This will affect her for the rest of her life. And we all know it. There's studies on it. There's nothing. Her sense of safety, I can't even fathom what I have to do here today. And this loophole in our criminal justice system that somebody who was accused of one of the most egregious crimes in our society is just going back out amongst us. He's not on a sex offender registry.